Welcome to the new lesson on solving technical problems by searching, analyzing, and applying solutions using the World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is a vast repository of knowledge containing the abundance of information, tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and forums. Therefore, understanding how to navigate the World Wide Web for technical problem solving primarily allows individuals to find solutions quickly. This self-reliance reduces dependence on others for technical support, enabling users to become more independent in their digital endeavors. Further, still understanding how to use the World Wide Web for problem solving fosters adaptability and encourages innovative approaches to overcome emerging issues. Efficient web search procedures are crucial for effectively solving technical problems. So let's start by going through key steps that will help you optimize searching. In the first step, you need to identify and articulate the specific technical problem. You can do this by defining the symptoms, error messages, and identifying the unexpected behavior. Moving on to step 2, you need to craft a concise set of keywords. These should include error codes, product names, model numbers, and specific actions or operations. In step 3, you should utilize advanced search operators, such the use of search operators to refine your search results. For example, you can use quotation marks to search for exact phrases. The cite operator allows you to search for results from a specific website, and file type to find results of a particular file type, like PDF, that may contain troubleshooting guides or manuals. Then you should continue to explore official sources. Look for official websites, product support pages, and manufacturer forums for authoritative and accurate information. These sources are more likely to provide trustworthy solutions and reliable troubleshooting advice. In step 5, you need to evaluate solutions before implementation. Before implementing any solution, carefully evaluate its suitability and safety. Be cautious with procedures that involve modifying system settings or using third-party software. Ask for help as last resort. You do this if you cannot find a satisfactory solution or the issue is complex. Consider seeking help from technical support, professional technicians, or online communities. Critically evaluating found solutions to technical problems on the web is essential to ensure you select the most reliable, effective, and suitable option. Start by examining the source of each solution. Check the reputation and credibility of the website or author providing the solution. Official websites hosted under a manufacturer's domain, reputable open forums like Stack Overflow, and well-known experts are more likely to offer trustworthy advice. Check the currency of information. Verify the publication date of the solution. Technical information can become outdated quickly, and using the obsolete solution may not be effective or safe. Assess user feedback and ratings. If the solution is available on a platform that allows user feedback, reviews, or ratings, take advantage of this information. Positive user experiences and high ratings can indicate a reliable solution. Don't rely solely on one result. Look for various sources and compare different approaches to the problem. When cross-referencing, look for consensus among multiple sources and experts where possible. This process allows you to consider alternative perspectives and will increase the likelihood of finding the most suitable solution for you. Consider the complexity of the solution. Evaluate the complexity and feasibility of implementing the solution. Solutions that require technical expertise or significant changes to the system settings may not be suitable for everyone. Evaluate potential risks and consequences. Consider the potential risks and consequences of implementing each solution. Avoid solutions that may cause more harm than good or compromise the integrity of your system. When possible, test in control environment before applying them to your primary system. This approach allows you to assess their effectiveness and safety without risking critical data or operations. Use critical thinking. Apply critical thinking skills to question and analyze the solutions. Be wary of overly sensational claims or solutions that seem too good to be true. Remember, technical problems can have various solutions, and what works for one person may not work for another. By critically evaluating and comparing found solutions, you enhance your problem-solving skills and increase the likelihood of successfully resolving technical challenges. So far, we only used already provided solutions, but not all problems may have readily available online solutions, for example, new hardware and software, and sometimes issues can be highly specific or rare. By being persistent, open to learning, and resourceful, we can increase our chances of eventually solving the technical problem we are facing. There are several steps we can take to address the situation effectively. We can try a hands-on approach with experimenting with different settings, configurations, or hardware components to isolate the problem and understand its root cause. It is also important to keep a detailed record of the problem we are facing, including any error messages or symptoms. As we explore various avenues for finding solutions, it is advisable to document our findings, attempts, and outcomes. This information can be valuable for future reference and when seeking assistance from experts. If we cannot solve the issue, we can reach out to relevant online communities or technical support forums and provide the documented approaches and solutions we have tried. As these will be publicly available, it is essential to anonymize any personal data within these messages. Extra care should be given to what log files end up being shared. If we find a solution, consider helping others. This can be a rewarding experience and make a positive impact in the online community. If we have joined a relevant community and have already asked a question online, clearly explain our solution step by step using simple and concise language. Include any necessary screenshots or images to illustrate the process visually. Be respectful and empathetic with others that might follow your solution. Acknowledge their frustration and confusion and let them know you understand their situation. In conclusion, solving technical problems through the World Wide Web involves mastering search strategies, critically evaluating solutions, and proactively seeking answers when ready-made solutions aren't available. By refining these skills, we not only resolve immediate issues, but also foster growth in technical knowledge and collaboration. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this inspires confidence in navigating the digital world effectively.